bet you're wondering why I'm down here. Oh, no, we're not. We are back with our series, Clean Sweep. And this morning, we're going to show you how to get organized in every room of the house. Lifestyle expert Amy E. Goodman is here to help us clear out the clutter. Amy, good morning to you.
Good morning. We're still in the new year. It's still January. By the way, happy Lunar New Year.
Happy Lunar
this
New Year.
Sunday, we're sweeping and we're cleaning things up.
Amen.
I feel like one of the most underutilized storage areas is under the sink because of that P-trap pipe under there. And for some people, also a garbage disposal. Not so much in New York City, but this is from the Container Store. It is a completely expandable shelf. It can start at 17 inches, but go to 27 and a half. And also, these individual shelves can be placed exactly where you need it to make the space for the pipe or the garbage disposal, which I adore. Normally, I call this area bottle bowling, right? You reach in for a cleansing bottle, and they all topple over. But this can be completely customized to fit your sink.
Well, that's only, it says it's really $45 too.
Yeah, it's a great,
pretty good.
it's a great buy. I think it's $43.99 at the Container Store.
Let's go to the counters now.
Yes.
Get rid of that clutter.
Yeah, and this is really trending, is to have steel and or glass canisters to store what I call the leftover extras of the pantry. The half bag of lentils, the quarter use of pasta. So for your staples, these are wonderful. It's from JCPenney. I like the combination. They're completely airtight sealed. It's a great way to store your essentials in your pantry or get these. I mean, they're so splashy.
And
You
it
put them up on
looks
the shelf.
good. Like, it doesn't seem so messy.
I agree, and it's 40% off. So these prices start at $11.99. I love the pop of color and the peep-through little vision here, so you can see what's inside. And also, you'll notice the cute labels.
I was just about to say, I think this is really cool. Look how tiny this label maker is.
It is teensy tiny, and I love that it doesn't take up a lot of space. It comes complete with an app with preloaded labels for your home, your kitchen, your arts and crafts supplies. All you have to do is plunk in a few little fonts, and you're good to go. It's Bluetooth enabled. It prints directly. This has changed my life, and I think they're so cute. It's so petite. Anything that gets you organized, folks, from your crafts drawer to your spice drawer to your essentials that are in your pantry, whatever it takes. If it takes a cute label maker, it's totally worth the investment. That's from KonMarie.com.
This is genius.
I love it.
And I was today years old when I discovered it existed.
I know, right? I have baseball hats that go on 3 different hooks in my laundry room, and they all topple to the floor. So this is, you get 2 little hanging hooks from Amazon. You attach it to your favorite little shirt or skirt hanger. It's got 10 clips each. Get those baseball caps, or also you have got the winter accessories there.
Right at the front door in a basket.
All
It's
those
not working.
hats.
My God.
Baskets
or our hats. Yes.
You know, you got to dig into the basket.
I'm always having trouble with my handbags.
You know what, Al? This one was actually created just for you from the YamazakiHome.com. It's 6 different hooks made of steel, very durable, and you can hang it in a closet, over a door. You can mount it to a wall. It's very, very versatile. So I actually collect handbags, and I only use one per season, which totally defeats
My
the
wife
purpose.
collects them too.
I know. So you want to actually get your seasonal handbags, put them up on these hooks, swap out every couple.
And if you have a door, it takes up the room this way. The problem is right now it takes up so much space in a closet.
Horizontally. Yes, exactly. So, and man bags too.
Yes. I love a satchel. What do we have here, Amy?
So this is great for the junk drawer. I'm a very proud, super organized junk drawer person. My whole family uses that drawer every single day. The key is bins. So these are 6 bins that come together. This is 3x3. It's a woman-owned company, and they're actually offering today's show viewers 20% off not only the bins, but their entire website to get organized. So everything with its place in the junk drawer, from your sticky notes to your push pins. I've got some weird like wine accessory organizers. That goes in the junk drawer, but because it has its place, my husband can cap off that bottle of wine, and we're good to drink it tomorrow.
How many people have readers at home, and then when you go to find them, you can't find them? They're just in drawers. They're all over the house. Really? For sure.
Yes, putting your glasses on display and out of their cases is a great way. And actually, I reported this when you were still unwell. So this was you in mind, Al. For all, you probably actually need 4 of these.
I'm telling you.
There's 4 different drawers for each of your glasses. You can do readers, sunglasses, prescription glasses, whatever kind of glasses to get them out in visual, so you can use them. And it also reminds me to clean them and keep them.
And there's a place for them. My daughter's always losing them. She has 2 parents. She loses them all the time.
Right, and this is from Muji, Muji.com. So great for nice, simple, minimalistic, organizational ideas.
We say yes.
Yeah, we're going to say yes.
Way to go, Amy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Amy E. Goodman. If you would like more information about any of these products, just check out our website, today.com/shop.
All right, up next, they are everywhere in China, especially around the Lunar New Year.